Hi everyone, this side Sabha Anjum. Today I am going to give a presentation on Python mini project, which is regarding team management system. I will explain step by step and give a highlight wherein how we use menu system and how it's work. Basically, this program is a CRUD operation like creating, updating, read, and deleting data for managing sport team and fee tracking. So first of all, we import module date time and uh, here we use fee amount equals to 100, which is a constant fee for each team, and we set uh, global variable teams equals to list to store team dictionaries here. After that, ID underscore counter equals to 1 is auto incrementing ID. Here we use it. If we talk about this about this create team, how it's works. So create a new team with auto generated ID and time stamp we use global ID counter for unique IDs as we call it, and capture current date time using date time dot now. That's why we import date module here in the above side here. And after that adds teams to global team lists using append, and it returns team. Secondly, this after this we use read team, how it's work, and I will show you. Yes. So read team purpose retrieve specific team by ID, means view a specific team by ID. So here we use team ID, and this is a linear search through a team list. After that team list, if I talk about the team list to gather all information, whether it's boys or girls, uh, it will be stored here. And for this we use if else. Updating team here purpose modifying existing data, existing team attributes, like if we want to change team name, type, fees, whether they pay fee or not, we will update it here. And any parameter can be none of to skip the updates. And same goes to team delete team, whether we want to delete any team, so deletes a team by ID. So this is the function we use here for deleting the data. After this main function, the main menu driven for a loop, how it's work. So first we create a new team. After that, one is read the team by ID. Third one list team, whether it's all boys or girls, or update the team. If we want to change anything which already is stored, so we can change it with the help of fourth option. And if we want to delete any ID by any team by its ID, then we can use fifth option. And if we want to exit the program, then we use 6. Right. This is the function for main function, like name equals to input, enter the name which we want to. Menu guides user through the team creation. After that, input validation, check if team types is valid or not. After that, read team is work, whether handles ID inputs and display the result. If he catch invalid integer, then he print the error. If we want to print any list, then we can use the third option, list. Here choice equals to 3. If we want to update anything, then we can use fourth option for updating, ID, fees paid, team type. If we want to update it, then we use choice fourth. And if choice equals to 5, we use for deleting. If we want to delete any data, specific data, so we have to enter the ID here. If ID is matched with the data, then it will show that ID is deleted. If the ID did not doesn't match the will not match the previous data, then it's showing invalid ID, something like that. This part will be executed. And in the whole program, we can see here input validation, type checking for by the help of IDs, valid values for the team types, yes and no conversation for fee status. It's a clean instruction and error message is here. Error handling, we can also use try and catch blocks for invalid inputs, and while loops keeps running when menu running until the exit, right? So here all the data is to a global teams list which we already mentioned in the above. After that, I will show you how it's work. Suppose enter your choice. If we want to create any team, so we will enter one. Enter the name, means team name is India. After that, it's girls or boys. Maybe it's boys. Showing like that, creating ID. It's automatically created 10 exact time, and name India, type boys, fee paid is we constantly use polls. That if we want to read, so we can use second option, choice team ID. If we want one showing, it will display this. We want to enter a list of all boys and girls. 3 all. How it works. If you want to update it, so enter team ID 1, name of the ID, boys, India, boys, yes, it's successfully entered. If we want to see, it's showing girls, it's showing no teams found because we enter only boys data, boys team ID. If we want one team enter, team is in again, it's name girl, GIR, that girl, girls, girls, enter your choice, participating fee 100%, enter your choice. That is, if you want to see 3 girls or now, we can see the girls and boys, both the list are here. We want to exit, switch work, next one, it will exit. Okay. I hope you like it. So